Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about Harvest Finance Farmcoin. I'm going to answer several different questions about what is Harvest Finance, how it works and key features. And at the end of this video I'm going to give you my personal opinions on this project. So make sure you follow along to the very end of this video. What is Harvest Finance Farmcoin? So what exactly is Harvest Finance Farmcoin? Well, Harvest Finance Farmcoin is a decentralized finance DeFi project that aims to provide users with opportunities to earn passive income through yield farming. It operates on the Ethereum blockchain and offers an innovative approach to maximizing returns on your crypto assets. Let's take a closer look at how exactly Harvest Finance Farmcoin actually works. Before we go into details, make sure you check out Bybit, Bitflex and some other links I have below this video. And I also have some links for you folks out there that do not have a lot of money to start investing in crypto. Mine crypto with your phone. The links are below this video. And I also created a book for everyone should read. Okay, it's a very intense, detailed book on mastering crypto 101. It's 100% free, and you can get it in my bio. Links is in the bio, called Mastering Crypto. So make sure you take and use all of those things. If you read that whole book, you will know more than 80% of people out there. So what I always say, make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn. Okay, that's a fact. So, how it works. The concept behind Harvest Finance Farmcoin is simple. Users can deposit their tokens into different liquidity pools, and the platform automatically allocates these funds to various lending protocols to generate yield. This process is known as yield farming or liquidity mining. So what are the actual key features of Finance Farmcoin? Well, let's explore some of the key features. Now, let's explore the key features that sets Harvest Finance Farmcoin stand out in the overall DeFi space. They have automatic yield optimization. Harvest Finance Farmcoin leverages advanced algorithms to automatically optimize yield farming strategies. This means that your assets are continuously moved to the most profitable opportunities, ensuring a maximal return on your investments. Diverse pool options. Platform offers a wide range of liquidity pools, allowing users to choose from different cryptocurrencies and lending protocols. This provides flexibility and the ability to diversify your portfolio according to your own risk appetite. Earn farm tokens or farm coins. As you participate in the yield farming on Harvest Finance Farmcoin, you'll earn farm coins. These tokens or coins have their own value, and they can be traded or staked on the platform, providing additional rewards and opportunities for all users. Security and auditing. Harvest Finance Farmcoin prioritizes the security of users' funds. The smart contracts undergo rigorous audits from reputable firms to minimize the risk of vulnerabilities and ensure a safe environment for all users. Now we come to the most important part, and that's my personal opinion on this token. So Harvest Finance Farmcoin offers a compelling opportunity for crypto investors and enthusiasts to earn passive income through yield farming. With its automatic yield optimization, diverse pool options, and focus on security, it presents a promising option in the DeFi landscape. So now we are going to check out the actual price. So what I really like about the Farmcoin is that they have a very low supply. So it's 705 million farm tokens or coins out there, and one Harvest Finance Farmcoin is now worth $39.56. And the last month it's gone up 62% the last month alone. So this coin has great potential, just my personal opinion, but it's not financial advice in any way. Okay, so you should not take this as financial advice. Make sure you comment your thoughts below on the actual farm coin, what you think is good about this DeFi project, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn, my friend. That was all for today. I hope you liked this farm coin video.